how to review recent ad activity on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review recent ad activity on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook, and first thing is go back, and at first just click these three lines here into top corner and go down, and after you go down just click this one, settings and privacy, and then this one here, recent ad activity. And as you see here, you can review your recent ad activity on Facebook mobile, and that's how to review recent ad activity. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video, and then see you in the next video.